Hello, welcome back to Sandy's Reiki Care. I hope you all are doing fine. Today I'm going to share a very interesting topic, which is laws of the universe and how to use them in our life. Understanding and practicing these laws can help us live a more fulfilling and a harmonious life. The principle of these laws are based on spiritual and philosophical beliefs that have been present in various cultures throughout history. Some of the laws I shall take up in this video, and then I shall take few more laws in my next video. So please listen to both the videos for better understanding. The first law is the law of divine oneness. It states that everything in the universe is interconnected and that there is no separation between all things. It means that our thoughts and actions can affect not only ourselves but also the entire universe. So now how do we connect it with our life? This law of divine oneness, to bring it in your life, you have to practice mindfulness and gratitude, and also focus on connecting with the world around you. You need to be compassionate with others and act in ways that promote the well-being of the universe. Think if we all are one. We may look different, but finally, the universal law says we all are interconnected. The next law is the law of vibration. This universe is made up of energy, and the energy is constantly vibrating at different frequencies. Our thoughts and emotions also have a vibration. We can use this vibration to attract or repel things into our lives. Now, how do we do that? How can we make our life comfortable with this law? You have to focus on constructive, positive thoughts and emotions. We need to cultivate positive state of mind. And for doing this, we need to practice meditation and yoga every day. See what difference you will find when you do this. Next law says the law of inspired action. This law is also called the law of cause and effect. Whatever you sow, you reap. It states that our thoughts, feelings, and actions have consequences that impact the world around us. So how do we practice it? Bring the focus within yourself and follow your inner guidance. But to follow that inner guidance, you should be aligned with your values and goals. You cannot have negative thoughts and then you decide to do that action. Positive thoughts will bring in positive results. The next law says the law of correspondence. What does it mean? This law states that the way we experience the world is a reflection of our inner state of being, and that we can change our experiences of the world by changing our thoughts and emotions. Suppose we think that the world is bad, the world is corrupt, there is only hatred in the world. That means our inner state of being is telling us that. But when we think everyone is generous, everyone is kind and compassionate, we are in a good state of being. Now, how do we practice this law? One needs to improve the state of being and focus on cultivating positive thoughts always. For that, we need to do self-reflection. We need to always question ourselves what kind of thoughts are going on in our mind And the moment you find that you're going into negative mode, you must immediately cancel those thoughts. The last law that I'm going to share with you in this video is the law of compensation. Universe always compensates us for our thoughts and actions. If we focus on positive thoughts and actions, we will receive positive experiences. If you're doing positive actions, there is no way that you're going to get negative results or negative experiences in the world. Now, how do we practice this law? That is the most important question. You can practice it by practicing kindness, being generous, and always feeling positive about others, and focusing on attracting positive experiences. In whichever situation you are, you must try to see the positive side of it and not the negative side. So always be mindful of your thoughts and actions. So that's all I'm going to share in this video. I hope you like this video. Rest of the laws I shall be sharing in my next video. Thank you. Bye for now. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.